This whole country used to be this wild ecosystem, all these animals all over the place.
Like pre-human settlement, they say that the North American continent had more larger game and more abundant megafauna than the plains of Africa.
Yeah.
Huge animals roaming around, and European settlement and Native American settlement, it's all attributed to the decline.
They eradicated so many animals from so many different parts of the country, wiped out like so many different species of North American animals.
More recently, like the passenger pigeon.
Yeah.
Right? Billions.
Billions.
It used to black out the sky.
Yeah.
And down to zero.
How the fuck did they do that?
How do you kill billions of birds? It's crazy to think that we're able to wipe out billions of anything.